Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a revolution in the world of luxury automobiles, the 2024 Rolls Royce Spectre. This isn't your average car reveal. The Spectre marks a historic turning point for Rolls Royce, symbolizing their grand entrance into the electric vehicle arena. So, buckle up as we explore the elegance, power, and innovation that defines this electric super coupe. The Spectre stuns with its imposing presence. The classic Rolls-Royce silhouette gets a modern electric makeover, with a sloping roofline and a fastback design that whispers of speed. But make no mistake, this is a whisper quiet speed. Under the hood, or shall we say bonnet, lies a symphony of electric power. Dual electric motors unleash a colossal 577 horsepower, propelling this behemoth from 0 to 60 in a staggering 4.2 seconds, all while maintaining that signature Rolls-Royce sense of serene comfort. The estimated driving range of 291 miles might not be the absolute best, but for those accustomed to the Rolls-Royce lifestyle, range anxiety is likely a non-issue. Interior: step inside the Spectre, and you're greeted by an oasis of opulence. Rolls-Royce is renowned for their handcrafted interiors, and the Spectre is no exception. The finest leathers and meticulously chosen materials pamper every sense. Imagine gliding down the road, enveloped in a haven of tranquility, where every detail is a testament to Rolls-Royce's dedication to bespoke luxury. The Spectre is more than just a car, it's a statement. It proves that luxury and electric power can coexist beautifully. It's the dawn of a new era for Rolls-Royce, a commitment to a sustainable future without sacrificing an inch of their legendary grandeur. Whether you're an electric vehicle enthusiast or a connoisseur of automotive excellence, the 2024 Rolls-Royce Spectre is a sight to behold. So, what do you think of the Rolls-Royce Spectre? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car content. Until next time, happy